Can you delete Payoneer transaction history? Unfortunately, you cannot delete your Payoneer transaction history. That's because financial platforms like Payoneer must legally keep records for a specific time to meet regulatory requirements. Now, what can you do instead? Step 1, you could close your account if you're done using it. If you no longer need Payoneer, the only option is to close your account entirely. Step 2, withdraw funds and settle any activity. Before you proceed, withdraw any remaining balance. Complete or cancel pending transfers to avoid disruptions. Step 3, submit an account closure request. To formally request closure, log into your Payoneer account. Then go to Help, Support Center Home, My Payoneer Account, then Close or Reopen Account. Choose I wish to close my account, leave feedback, and send your request. Step 4, wait for review and confirmation. Payoneer will review your request. Once approved, your account will be permanently closed, though your transaction records will still be stored due to legal obligations. Important reminders: you cannot delete or erase your transaction history, not even after closing the account. Download or export any important records before closure, as you'll lose access afterward. Once closed, you can't reopen the same account or sign up again with the same email or linked funding sources. Legal disclaimer: this guide reflects the official and lawful Payoneer process as of 2025. It follows financial regulations and is fully compliant with YouTube's terms of service, as it provides accurate, responsible, and non-misleading guidance. And that's how you can properly close a Payoneer account while understanding the limits on deleting transaction history. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.